Hi, 8th graders. Mr. Kerr here, and week 4, or Unit 3, Civil War. We're coming to the end of the Civil War. Going to kind of wrap up a little bit. First of all, beginning of the week, of course, there is a quiz for you to take as a pretest. Look through all the material for the week, go over the suggested schedule, check your grades, all of that stuff that you know to do every Monday morning when you log on. Do want to talk about the suggested schedule here. Strongly suggest, unless you have a particular schedule that you go with every week, to try and stick to this suggested schedule as closely as possible. Now, something else. All of your teachers have something similar. It might not look exactly like this, but all of your teachers have some sort of suggested schedule for the week. And you, of course, also have lots of other things going on in your life than just school. Each week you should be putting together a master calendar that includes all of the suggested schedules from your teachers, however you've modified them to fit your schedule, and of course also the other things going on in your life, whether it's on campus on Wednesdays or it's the sport or activity you do on a weekly or daily basis. So all of those things should go onto a weekly master schedule, and you should create that online. They have lots of them. In fact, there's a calendar feature right here in Schoology that you can use. Paper and pencil, Google, you can do a calendar feature there as well. So all of those things. Okay, looking at Week 4 as we come to the end of the Civil War. Now, one thing that we've been doing is you've had a good number of videos, and one thing is with the Civil War is that it is really one of the most studied pieces of history of the United States, and it's right when cameras were really starting to be used. It was really one of the first wars that was pictured, had actual pictures. So as we go through this week, what you're going to be doing, you're actually going to create a website on a particular topic. As you go through this, of course, take the quiz at the beginning of the week as a pretest. And there are 2 big videos, including there is a video helping to step you through and explain creating the website piece. But there are two videos. One is kind of on the end of the Civil War and how the Civil War wrapped up, and then the other is John Green's take on the end of the war. One's 15 minutes, the other's 10 minutes. Yes, they are a little bit on the long side for what we would normally do, but these are very important, so make sure you watch them. You're going to need to watch each one a couple of times at least, probably, and take some notes. We do have a discussion board called Winners and Losers, and it has a bunch of different questions, so pick about 3 of those questions to really answer kind of what, in your opinion, should we be doing towards the end as a war like this wraps up. And then you'll get into the website assignment. The Civil War website assignment. Here there's a video kind of stepping you through how to do that as well. All right, let me know if you have any questions. I'll see some of you on Wednesday. Some of you really need to be going back and looking at some missing assignments to get done as well. Some of you are doing great on that front. So let me know if you have any questions. Talk to you soon.